Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get talking about INFLUENSTER. I believe I have made one other video about INFLUENSTER before, but I will go through some quick information on it. INFLUENSTER is an app that you get on your phone and you review items. It can be makeup, household, clothing items, whatever you have in your house, you can review it. You have to have a certain amount of words and then you give it some stars, and then you can ask questions about products and you can give answers to questions about products just to help people out. You have your profile where it shows you how many reviews you've done, how many discussions you're in, how many badges, which the badges are, you receive badges for doing things on the app. Then they have different campaigns. So right now they have L'Oreal at Rite Aid, back to school, virtual box. So if you click the start campaign button, it tells you what you need to do. This one says if you purchase this certain item, then you get cash back for purchasing it. So that's pretty cool. So it's kind of confusing unless you have the app, and then you can get the feel of what is going on. It's a lot easier. You also link all of your social media profiles to it. So your Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you have, you link it to it. And those are the people that you basically influence, or how many people you can influence. So then it'll give you surveys. It'll send you surveys in your email. You take those surveys and it'll tell you whether or not you will receive a box. So I've gotten several boxes before. This one is on the brand KAJA or KAJA. It's KAJA. I'm not exactly sure how to say the brand. I don't hear of it very often, but they sent me 3 items from them to review. So you don't have to do like a video to review it. All you're supposed to do is try out the item and then review it. Usually it's on Sephora that I put my reviews on. I'm pretty sure it's always been Sephora, but I've always only gotten makeup items as well. Like I said, you can always get, it's more than just makeup, it's household, whatever else. So this is my first impression of this, and then I will do my review on the app later. Okay, I am so excited about this because I knew I was gonna get this item, which I was so excited about in the first place. This is a winged eyeliner stamp and pen, so it's supposed to be able to help with your winged eyeliner, and I'm super duper excited about that. By the way, don't judge my hands. It's spray paint all over them and I can't get it off. Other items that I received, which I'm even more excited about, are these Beauty Bento Bouncy Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Trios. So I got them in the shade 5, which is Hella Azalea, and the other shade is number 7, Glowing Guava. The funny thing about this, and why I was so excited to get this, is I have had one of these in my cart in my Sephora app for so long. They're a lot smaller than what I thought they were when I was looking at them online, but they are still so cute. And this one is the one, like, my second favorite. I have a different one in the Sephora cart, but this was my second pick, so I am happy, and they're both beautiful. It is a trio. You've got your little mirror, and then it comes with 3 different shades in each. So I'll do a couple little swatches real quick. Okay, they don't have individual shade names. This is from the Glowing Guava trio, which is absolutely gorgeous, I think. They swatch rather well. They are all very smooth. This one is from the Hello Azalea palette. So all of the colors are absolutely beautiful, I think. The eyeshadow trios retail for $21 and the stamp eyeliner set is $25. So we are just going to put some eyeshadow on the eyes quick, and then we will test out the winged eyeliner. So what do we think about the eyeshadow so far? Personally, I really like these. Actually, I really love these. This look is giving me fall vibes, and I like it. First of all, these two actually play really well with each other. I used every shade in both of these, and they all work really well with each other. I love them both. It makes me want to get that other one that I have in the Sephora cart even more, so I think I might do that now. Each eyeshadow performed so well. The pigmentation on these is fantastic. The blendability, fantastic. I don't know why I haven't heard of this brand before. I just saw one of them on Sephora, and I'm like, wow, that's beautiful. That's why it's been in my cart for so long. But yeah, I don't know why I haven't heard about this brand before, because I absolutely love these. These are a win. Both color stories are amazing. You can do a full look with this. You can do a full look with this. Just together, I think it ended up being even better. So these are perfect for traveling. Just toss it in your little, you know, bag and go. The only thing about this is this mirror is pointless, because in order to use it, like, you have to have both of them open. So you have to keep, which, I mean, it's not that hard to keep, you know, go back and forth from pat, 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 and then look. But how small this is, it is super hard to be able to see what you're doing. And of course I shake so bad, so it's like, so the mirror's just pointless to me. I mean, save some money on packaging and get the mirror out of there, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, 10 out of 10, would recommend. Now let's move over to the winged liner, which I kind of forgot about. I wanted to do a neutral eye. I was just going to use this one and do a super neutral eye, and then I just got carried away. I'm like, I want all the colors. On to the Wink Stamp. This must come in different colors, because this one is black. This is ink black. Okay, so we've got little directions here too, which is always nice, because whether it's supposed to be easy or just seems easy, I usually screwed up. Place stamp along the outer edge of the eye. The wing's longest edge should connect to and align with the lower lashes, creating a continuous line. Press down firmly. Use the eyeliner pen to draw along the lashes connecting the wing. Repeat on the other side. Okay, cool. The purple part is the stamp itself. You have your left and your right, and the black is the liner. Okay, let's take a look. Oh wow, look at that stamp. Oh, I'm so excited. I've always wanted one of these. It seems like it's runny or something. Okay, we're gonna start with my left eye, right? This is how, okay, yep. Angle, wait, what? Okay. Shh. I'm so scared. Oh, my makeup is decent today. Okay. Okay, my problem is I'm lining up like the bottom portion with the edge, but then I can't see the tip, so I can't see if I'm pointing it too much up or too much down or in. Oh wow, you see that? That worked so fast and so well. I've got really hooded eyes, so winged eyeliner never looks good on me, so I'm probably not the best person to do this with, but oh nope, I did that way too low. Can we just repeat it? Pew. Yep, and now I messed it up. That's okay. That's okay. We will fix it. All right. I'm impressed with how easy it is. You don't have to press hard at all. It just kind of goes right on. You can feel it. It's really wet. And it stays. Like, I instantly open my eyes and it's not running or anything. It's, I don't know. I'm fairly impressed so far. So, all right. Let's try to do this. Do they look even? Do they? Do they look even? Do they? Do they? Easy peasy lemon, I already fucked it up, but we will fix it. Isn't the point of these to not mess it up? But I did on try number 1. This is why I didn't want to do a full-blown makeup look, because then I could wipe it up and keep trying. So this is the actual eyeliner part. You've got, it's just a simple felt tip liner. Looks good. Okay, so now I'm just going to connect and line my lid. Okay, I really like this eyeliner so far. It went on super easy. It's not like I have to finagle with it too much. It just kind of goes on. So that's really nice. The tip is pointy enough to where I have very good control. It's not too wide. Okay, with this one, it is a little more pointy. They are very uneven only because I screwed up on that stamp and then I stamped it again. So I am going to try to take it out just a little bit more to make it more pointy. Alright, that's all I'm going to do because they're way too different right now. Way too different. So that's that though. That's it. That was the fastest I have ever done eyeliner. Ever. I think with a little more practice, I could get good with these. And I have hooded eyes, so like I said, I don't think a wing looks good on me. It's very hard to master a wing that actually looks good. But for anybody else who struggles with wings and you don't have hooded eyes, like, oh my gosh, get these. For $25 for 2 of them, to me that's amazing because you pay, I don't know, $20 for an eyeliner by itself. I feel like my Smashbox one is around the $20 line and that's my favorite, and it doesn't come with a wingy thingy. So 10 out of 10, again, recommend these. I mean, this is pretty matte, which most people like. It didn't transfer, well, it did transfer there just a tiny bit, but it goes on super smooth. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't know, I really like it. It makes me want to try it on somebody else without hooded eyes. The wing itself is not very pointy, but it gives you the outline, so then if you want it pointier and longer, you just continue from there, and you've already got, I mean, obviously mine aren't even, so that's just one of those things that you have to practice, but I'm very impressed. I love this. I'm so happy about this. 10 out of 10, would recommend. Definitely try it out. And these 10 out of 10 recommend. This was a fantastic first impressions day. I love it all. So I'm excited to leave my reviews. Check those out. Check Influenster out. And if you guys have any questions about Influencer too, because I know I brushed past that pretty fast. So if you guys have any questions about it, just leave them in the comments below and I will answer those. And let me know what you want to see in the next video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.